Take a video, Owen.
You ready? Start.
Is it going?
Ready?
Video.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Wes. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday, Wes.
Hey, Owen, can you make a wish for your brother? And blow out the candle?
Good job.
There's the cake.
Wow.
Okay, we'll cut you a piece.
Are you ready?
No.
Oh
You want the
my
whole
goodness.
cake?
Oh, he's biting.
Come here, baby.
He's biting.
No, they're not edible, but you can lick them. Watch out. You can't eat them, though.
I know. Just a second.
Okay, alright.
He goes, I'm done with
Really
one.
need it. That's fine.
I'm done with one.
Just
Here, you
got our
wanna save
pictures. That's fine.
We can put them up here.
Come on, Daddy. He needs a piece of cake here. Baby needs some cake.
Baby needs some. Okay.
He goes, I'm so done with
Now
one.
that piece.
I need a plate.
Whoa.
He's got one.
There it is.
Holy.
Oh, watch out.
Just licked
Is
it.
that good?
He's like, what do I do with this?
Yeah.
That's your piece then, yes. You claimed it.
My piece.
Is that good, Wes? Okay. There you go.
You
Right,
eat them?
Oh, it's to eat. Okay.
No.
There you go. What happened to it?
So civilized.
Brandon.
Here's Brandon's piece.
There you
Here's
go.
your piece.
Where? Where?
Brandon, over here.
Where now?
You like that snow.
Right here?
That's yours.
Yeah.
Fork.
Where are we gonna eat the cake?
Whoa.
Well, you
whoa.
guys can
oh,
go
you're
in
gonna
a bit.
drop?
Holy dear.
Whoa!
Whoa.
There he goes. There he goes. He's got a full hand. Go for it, Wes. Go for it, Wes. Get in there. Yes.
There you go.
Yes.
Sure, either way. I mean, there's carpet in both cases.
Yeah, get it. He always goes for his thumb. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh yeah, there you go.
He's like, why is everybody... That's mine.
Last. You won. Oh yeah, you won.
This is like the most amusing part of it.
I think,
go sit over
I think he thinks he's being made fun of.
at the table?
Aaron,
Come
what
over here,
have
we
you
got a
done,
chair
Aaron?
for you.
Over there?
Your thumb's clean.
His thumb's clean.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All
it's
right,
probably
he's getting
thumb.
in there. All right, good job, Wes. No. No, 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 no. He's talking. He's talking about it.
He's just enjoying himself immensely.
West, is that good?
Good cake?
Oh, I got a good one with the fork.
He talks to his food.
He sure does.
I love you, food.
Who's messier? Well, Owen had a tarp. West is actually using a fork and managing to eat some of it. Oh, Owen right now or West? Who's messier?
Is that good? display here. So I got the hand, I got the fork, I don't know what to do.
It's gonna go into a coma.
Vanessa needs to bring one some ice cream, you think?
Nah. No thanks. I'm good without ice cream.
Wow. Go for it, Wes.
Just gonna have some sugar Caesar.
Yeah. Wes.
I love the little feet.
Why aren't you people eating this?
Brad did ask for a spoon.
Oh, full. Goldfish and cake.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
Go for it.
Says I need to
Do
Do
leave
it,
that.
Wes. Do it. Do it. Wes. Go for it. You, that feels so good.
Oh.
Yay. Yay.
Patty cake. Patty cake.
Patty cake. Oh yeah.
I love that look too. He's like, what is going on? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm.
You
How come
done?
that's not okay when you're 35?
Depends on the company, I guess.
Yum, 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 yum. It's sour.
Oh, did he get the limeade?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. So I have this going at 7 minutes.